Introduction. Sachin is celebrating his birthday with his friends. His mother wants to order ice creams for the children. Therefore, she is busy counting their number. She does not want to leave anyone out. You just saw how counting helps. In this lesson, you will learn to count. Counting apples. You have learnt to count eggs. Let us see if you can count the apples in a plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. There are 25 apples in a plate. Number spelling. Let us now learn to spell numbers. Here are some chocolates. Let us count and store them in a box. Here is the first. It goes into the box. O-N-E 1. Here is the second. It also goes into the box. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. S-I-X 6. S-E-V-E-N 7. E-I-G-H-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. N I N E T E E N 19. T W E N T Y 20. Groups of 10. Look at this bundle of pencils. There are 10 pencils in this bundle. A collection of 10 objects is called tens. Here is one more bundle. There are 10 pencils in it as well. Therefore, we have 2 tens. Here are some more bundles of pencils. Each bundle has 10 pencils. Let us count. 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we have 5 tens. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. We begin counting with 1. A collection of 10 objects is called tens.